good, y'all, man? We're back here with another video today.
Told me she broke up with her ex, like that boy way too feminine. So many people told me lies, I'm sat back like what's genuine. I bought this chain, I bought the smoke, I called that one.
What's good, y'all, man? We're back here with another video, and today we are just hopping right up into it. As you can see, I'm in the M2. I got James right behind me. We're about to go hit the dispensary and hit some back roads, so y'all boys stay tuned. It's gonna be a nice video. And yeah, it's gonna be POV, and then I'm also gonna be swapping back and forth through the 360 camera. Let me know how you guys have been liking that. And yeah, I'm excited for today. We got some cool spots that we're gonna go to, so gonna get some nice flybys and some actual videos of the cars moving, not just us in the cars, but the actual cars moving, man. So y'all stay tuned. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for all the recent support and all the videos. It means so much to me. With that being said, it's beautiful out. It's only 68 degrees and it's 11 a.m. So it's good vibes. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead, get into this, and I'll catch back up with y'all when there's some exciting shit going on. It's so bad, bro. The rocks are actually really bad on this road for some reason. I'm not gonna lie. I have no idea why, but they are actually terrible. Oh yeah, bud. Jeez. Crazy. As always, guys, I do have my Celsius. Celsius, if you're watching this, please hit me with a nice sponsor. I know I got the goosebumps, but that's just because I was just drinking a Celsius and this wind just hit me out of nowhere. We're just cruising, hanging out with Dusty, and making it happen, man. We're just gonna get this content for you guys and enjoy a nice day on the back road. So y'all stay tuned. And yeah, man, I'm gonna keep grinding this YouTube channel out, and I'm gonna make it happen, bro. I promise you guys. All right, we made it onto the highway at last, and now we're just cruising. Not really sure if we're gonna be driving any crazy or anything, but just gonna be cruising, man. Dang, we got a nice ass Porsche next to us though. Yeah, stop playing. That's what I need, bro. It's literally me in the future. Oh my God, the blacked out or dark blue fucking Porsche, bro. Stop fucking playing. Shit is different, bro. I need one of those. Crazy, bro. And now we're just cruising. Calm little 90 cruise with the fucking Porsche Cayenne. I actually don't know what type it is. The Cayenne GTS, that's still nice, bro. It's still a GTS at the end of the day. Oh my days, bro. All these people. Typical crash out moment by Joey. So we are on the back roads, just cruising. We got James behind us, of course, as you guys saw. He's been behind us the whole trip. It's not like he's just gonna disappear. Yo, you guys have to see this guy up here. He has a convertible Challenger. You know how rare those are? It's like one of the most rare fucking cars you can buy. He doesn't have it outside. That means he took it out. Bro, that guy literally has a convertible Challenger. But yeah, we're about to be at this dispo. I'll show you guys what I'm getting. And yeah, maybe I'll smoke a little bit with you guys on camera if you guys fuck with that, man, because at the end of the day, I'm gonna just continue to do my own thing. Bro put 20 cents in his car, crazy.
Bro, we broke now.
I have nothing.
I have nothing.
But no, we just got gas. I'm getting $30 of gas, and then we're gonna go hit this Pollenskill Viaduct and get some good flybys. Show you guys some good scenery. All right, we just made it out to this spot. We're about to get some flybys and stuff. Hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, I'm gonna be showing you my flybys, and I'm gonna be showing you James's flybys. So y'all just stay tuned for that. And maybe I'll get a nice little montage going, so just stay tuned. Cheers.
Me, I don't care what you did today. I don't find that interesting. Sweet one built like she got a BBL, but no lipo. It's natural. Fed on bro, no way you're stopping the car. Better not let them catch you. I'm in the whip. Me, my head gets hot.
Damn, I kind of parked in a bad spot behind you. You gotta have to pull up. You gotta come at an angle. Just a little slow. You're definitely gonna scrape. You're definitely gonna scrape. What y'all think, chat? It's like gonna happen. This is the best place though. This is all steep as shit. Oh, W Mans, bro.
That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
You gotta come really at an angle though. Let's see. You might just scrape a little bit. Oh, you got it.
Yeah.
Hopefully your right goes up too. Nah, bro, that shit is nice. All right.
Alright, bro, I'm gonna turn around right here.
In this fire ass location. God damn. I don't even know what none of this shit means, bro. Premise. The grimace shake. Bro, is that a dick and balls and nut? What the fuck? Oh shit. Oh. Damn. Hey, but we not gonna let this go unnoticed. What the fuck? Those Dusty's leaving. God. Menace. Oh shit. Your car really drawing, bro. Look what your burnout just drew over here, bro.
Bro, fuck out.
Yeah. Wait, what?
I'm gonna do it now.
Put that bitch in drift mode?
Wait, hold up. Yeah.
Alright.
Turn around.
Let's see what it's talking about now. Why did it just pop that loud, bro? What the fuck? That was a huge difference, yo. Oh my god. Yo, bro, what? This man just smoked that shit up. Oh my god, yo. Y'all see this shit? Oh my god. That shit, like, hot, bro. Oh my. Bro, that was a night and day difference, bro.
I didn't even think, but my DSC was on the first few
Bro,
times.
yeah, bro. That shit was a night and fucking day difference. You wanna see?
Yeah, bro.
Woo. Smoking this bitch up. God damn.
I'll whip it out. Hey, yo. I really will, though.
Everything inside of here, bro.
What? Oh, yeah.
5 eyes are gonna be.
Oh. Shit, I can't show that.
No, we definitely cannot. Do you want to keep the outside? Because I don't want to pour the water.
I'll put it in my trunk. Give me a second. Look at the nice scenery. What nice scenery. Wow. fucking dust in my eye. God damn. Y'all ain't ready for this view. Stop playing with me. Ready? Check me the fuck out, bro. Yeah. Look at that view, bro. I'm him. Damn, look at the views. Shit is crazy. The views are amazing, bro. Sorry, it's habit for me to do that because I have a manual. I know you guys hate that shit. Damn, look at the views. Holy shit. His hand placement. Bro, like, fuck off, man. Let me see if I can get a nice sport display going for you guys. Let me see what I got here. Yeah, I do. Yeah. Alright, I don't know if we're gonna do anything crazy on the highway, but if we do, I'll make sure to get a few clips for you guys. Not a Bentley on the side of the highway. Nah, bro, that's bad. What happened to him? James just texted me and said Scenic overlook. Yeah, for sure, bud. Let's hit that Scenic overlook. Okay, we are now at the Scenic overlook. James is parking up. I just parked up. And look at this view, bro. This is insane. We might go walk up there, maybe get a few pictures of the cars from up above. But you can usually see the highway and everything when there's no leaves on the trees. But right now it looks really good, man. Like, it's beautiful. farmlands and everything. So much better than last time we were here. But shit looks crazy. Yeah, we got James making YouTube content now. This shit's been going stupid. Make sure to go check his out. Him and I are next on the YouTube game in New Jersey, man. Yeah, beautiful views. I'm gonna go ahead and get some IG content. Make sure to go check out the IGs, both of ours. All right, we are about to be leaving from the spot. And we're gonna go head back to our area and everything, but we're leaving this spot right now. And yeah, man, we're just gonna cruise out. Might get some good POV content if there's anything fun on the highway. If not, I might just get some chill POV content, so stay tuned. As you guys can see, I'm back in the garage. I didn't end up recording anything else because there's way too much traffic going on. And honestly, I think it was just better that I just drove home safely. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video because I had such a fun time making it. Please make sure to hit the like button, the sub button. Let me know what you guys want to see down below. And as always, man, thank you guys so much for all the recent support. It means more than you guys know. And I'm just ready to continue this YouTube grind. Take it easy, y'all. Peace.